Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a small but incredibly essential accessory for anyone serious about their scanner setup. The Uniden Scanner Connector 2-Pack. These aren't just any connectors. They are specifically designed to ensure your scanner operates with optimal clarity and reliability, a crucial factor for hobbyists and professionals alike. When one is dealing with radio frequencies and sensitive equipment like scanners, the quality of every component in the signal chain matters immensely. These Uniden connectors are crafted to provide that critical link. They come as a convenient 2-pack, which is immediately a plus, offering either a spare for future needs or the ability to connect multiple devices or extend different lines simultaneously. This foresight in packaging demonstrates an understanding of the user's practical requirements. The design of these connectors is straightforward and functional. They feature a male-to-female gender configuration, making them incredibly versatile for adapting existing cables or extending the reach of an antenna. Their round shape is standard for coaxial connections, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of scanner equipment and cabling. The Uniden brand itself brings a level of assurance. It's a name synonymous with quality in the world of radio communication, suggesting that these connectors are built to the same high standards. One of the primary benefits of using a dedicated scanner connector like this is the assurance of a secure and stable connection. Loose or poorly made connectors can introduce signal loss, interference, and ultimately degrade the performance of a scanner. With these Uniden connectors, users can expect a snug fit that minimizes signal degradation, allowing for clearer reception and more consistent performance from their compatible devices. The robust construction means they are designed to withstand regular use, providing a durable solution that won't need frequent replacement. For anyone looking to optimize their scanner's performance, whether it's for monitoring local emergency services, air traffic, or amateur radio, these Uniden scanner connectors are an indispensable part of the toolkit. They represent a small investment that can make a significant difference in the overall user experience, ensuring that the scanner receives the cleanest possible signal. The convenience of having two high-quality, reliable connectors readily available makes this pack a smart choice for maintaining an efficient and effective scanning station. It's truly about ensuring superior connectivity for all scanner enthusiasts.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.